Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you how to use command line and on Fedora Linux and explain about how to use the command line type nano ego cat. Let's jump to our video. Now we use cd command line to go to public directory to create our example file with our command line like type to create empty file, and I name it my file .tt, and to make sure we just use ls command to check. Now we create my underscore file .pt file. After you create the file and you want to modify or edit, you can use nano command text editor to edit our file and add some content if you want. And I just make example by I write this is edit it by nano text editor. So after you write, and we can use Control plus O to write out and press enter, and then use Control X to save and exit. After we exit, we can use command cat to check the content of the file. We can use cat and file name to check the content. So the content of the file is this is edited by nano text editor. One more thing, if you want to add a single line of the file, you can use ego command line and use the content that you want to add. I just put the content this file, replace content by ego. And we use append operator. So when we use the single append operator, it will override the content that has in our file. So you can cat to check the content on file. Yeah, it will override by add this file replaced by ego. So if you want to add content file by without override, we can use ego the same, but we use double append operator. we just try command line echo, and you can use the content to add this line edit by echo use to append operator. Just to make sure I just add this to node by use to append operator. Now override our all content on file. So you can use cat to check the content on file, and you will see the content, the old content, not override, because we use to append operator. You can use nano to edit to make sure the content of the file, and the first line is the old content, and the second line is we add by use echo and use to append operators, and we just exit from the file. And one more thing, with nano command line we not only use to edit, and we can use to create the file. Now I just use nano to create the new file by using nano plus name of the file, and I put my underscore new file.tt to create a file, and hit enter. Now we can use to create a file and edit with nano. I just add a content, this is, and we exit. So thank you for your watching. See you on next video.